So here's a valve cover, the back one that is near the firewall. I removed this and it's already cleaned up, so I cleaned it. So there's a valve cover off. Alright, how I clean it. And the way this functions is that you have something called like this oil and air separator. You have that is running, so you have blow by coming, entering here, and it goes like around here and just then exits around here where you have your PCV valve attached. So that's a new PCV valve goes here. Well, yeah. The old one obviously was see, it's all in sludge. There's oil on it. Even on the top there's trace of oil. So what I did is I used like hanger wire and just kind of like shovel this side and just clean it. Use some brake cleaner, whatever I have here, carburetor cleaner, so things like that, and just you just put it in, you shake it, you know, you try to get as much out of it. And it was really dirty. It was all clogged up, and oil was accumulating inside here, inside this oil and air separator buffles, they call them as well. And later on it was getting sucked through the PCV valve. So that's basically what you have to do. I know some people say just get a new one, valve cover, but you know what, I'm just gonna try to clean it, see what happens. So I think it should be enough. I mean, it took like 10 years for this car to get clogged up, and maybe it will, if it's gonna last another 3-4 years, hey man, it's a win for me. Alright, so what do you think? Do you clean them or do you get a new valve covers? Thanks.